Have you ever uploaded products to Shopify and completely forgotten to add alt text to your images? It happens more often than you might think. Missing alt text can make it difficult for people using screen readers to understand your products, and manually writing descriptions for every image can take a lot of time. Thankfully, Accessify includes an AI image alt text feature that helps generate descriptive alt text for your product images in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, explain how AI credits work, and share a few best practices before you start. Let's jump over to my screen.
Accessify installation and setup process. I explained in the previous video, you can check that from the link in description. Once you're inside Accessify, open the AI Image Alt Text section from the left menu. This page gives you an overview of your image accessibility tools. Right at the top, you'll also notice your available AI credits, which are used whenever the app generates alt text for your images. Every time you generate alt text using AI, one or more AI credits are used, depending on the request. Since credits are limited, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your remaining balance before processing a large number of images. Accessify automatically scans your Shopify images and identifies which ones are missing alt text. Instead of checking every product manually, you immediately get a clear list of images that still need descriptions. If you only have a few missing images, you can generate alt text one at a time. Simply click Generate with AI, and Accessify analyzes the image before creating a descriptive alt text automatically. Once the generation is complete, you'll see the suggested alt text added to the image. While AI does a great job describing products, I always recommend reviewing the result to make sure it accurately reflects your product and matches your brand's language. If your store has dozens or even hundreds of products, generating descriptions one by one would take quite a while. Instead, you can select multiple images and generate alt text in bulk, saving a significant amount of time. The app processes each selected image and automatically creates descriptive alt text using AI. Depending on how many images you're generating, this may take a few moments. After processing is complete, your images now include descriptive alt text. This makes it much easier to keep your product catalog organized without manually editing every image. Before moving on, take a moment to review the generated descriptions. AI is a great starting point, but a quick review helps ensure every description is accurate, clear, and appropriate for your products.
And that's how you can generate AI-powered alt text for your Shopify images using Accessify. Instead of spending hours writing image descriptions manually, you can let AI handle most of the work and simply review the results before publishing. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how the feature works and how to make the most of your available AI credits. If you'd like to see more Shopify tutorials like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.